Would you like to spend less time working in your garden and more time enjoying it? The secret to spending less time on garden chores is having the right tools, like this watering wand from the Relaxed Gardener. The Relaxed Gardener watering wand is a sturdy, lightweight tool that makes watering your garden a breeze. The wand has 8 different spray pattern settings. No need to change nozzles between different tasks. Notice how easily the head rotates to change settings. Water your hanging baskets and deck planters. Miss new seedlings. Wash your car or even clean sporting equipment. The uniquely designed on-off lever allows you not only to turn the water on and off, but to adjust the strength of the flow. No more hand strain from holding a trigger-operated nozzle. This nozzle is extremely popular with people who have rheumatoid arthritis or disabilities. Try it today to see what a difference the Relaxed Gardener watering wand can make for you. Click here to get yours now.